You know, when I see a car like this, first thing I do is I say, would you look at this? You know what I mean?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, would you look at this?
Yeah.
All right, guys, so here today, and it is very rainy outside. Let me just show you. It is just coming down pretty good out here. Not a lot gonna happen outside today. So what I plan to do is clean up the shop and also possibly get some more work done on this guy right here, the Fastback. I got the roof stripped down with the new Contour SCT tool, but time to do the rest of it. So got to get this thing out and cleaned out. Overall, just a good day for a cleanup. Well, here we go. So. Woo, that's loud. I need to get some ear protection. Wanting to get on this project for a long time, just hasn't been able to happen. So finally got to de-rust this thing and put some rust treatment all over it. It is just gassing off right now. Basically, I got some air going through it and flow through and through this place, but it's just kind of drying out right now. Getting all that rust treated. It's kind of surface rust. I roughed up the whole area with that Eastwood Contour system, and so it's been doing great. So real excited about getting on this and getting the bodywork going for this project.